This whole ChatGPT craze of artificial intelligence doing ordinary tasks for people like you and me is getting absolutely out of hand. In this video, I asked ChatGPT to write me a full script for a Facebook ad for my product, Beyond Braid. Now, if you don't know, Beyond Braid is a braided fishing line company that I own. We do multiple 7 figures a year. We do a lot of Facebook ads. And I've been doing this for 3+ years, so eventually, right, the ads you use, they get boring, they get old, and you need to constantly refresh your creatives. Enter in ChatGPT. So what I did was ask ChatGPT very specifically, write me a Facebook ad for Beyond Braid braided fishing line. And lo and behold, it spit out a script. In this video, what I'm actually gonna do is make the ad that ChatGPT scripted out for me, run it on Facebook ads, spend a few $100s of budget per day and see if it actually worked. If it does, this is gonna be a brand new way for my business to absolutely print money.
So you can see we're in ChatGPT and I'm typing out, please write me a script for a Beyond Braid Facebook ad, and here's what it spit out. Now what's super cool is you can clearly see that it does an opening shot, so it tells you exactly what film you should have, and then it tells you the voiceover for the script. It's like absolutely mind-blowing of what this thing could do. All right, so now that we got the actual script made, what's unique about my situation is I have so much content over the years for my business that I don't actually have to go out and film the script that ChatGPT wrote for me. I could just take the clips and suggestions from my content database and plug it into Final Cut Pro and then just do a voiceover after. So essentially the content creation process for this video ad was very simple. You can see right here, I recorded a voiceover of the script that ChatGPT suggested. And then what I did was come here to my data library of endless Beyond Braid videos that I have, and then I plugged them in one by one to cover and make sure that it's completely B-rolled out.
And without further ado, here's what the final product looked like.
Are you tired of constantly breaking fish off? Introducing Beyond Braid, the ultimate braided fishing line. Made from high quality fibers, Beyond Braid is strong, durable, and abrasion resistant. With its low visibility and high sensitivity, Beyond Braid will give you the competitive edge you need to land the big one. Don't let weak, unreliable fishing line hold you back. Upgrade to Beyond Braid today. Click the link below to grab yours at beyondbraid.com. Pretty badass video for 30 minutes of work, of a little bit of editing, a little bit of B-roll. You literally can't beat it. Normally when I'm filming commercials, I have to script the commercial, I have to go on location, I have to set all the fishing line up, and I have to film, I have to cast, usually need a camera person. But for me to construct this quality of an ad in 30 seconds is really, really cool. Next thing we have to do is basically come into Facebook and actually create the Facebook ad. So I used pretty simple targeting in audiences that I know that are currently working. And now when I actually went to create the ad, you need a headline and some subject copy. So what did I do? I went over to ChatGPT and said, hey, write me a headline, write me some ad copy for a Beyond Braid Facebook ad. And lo and behold, it spit out a whole new idea. All right, so now it's essentially time to click go on the ads. We're gonna be spending anywhere from $100 to $200 a day to test out these ads. I created 3 variations, one with music, one with no music, one with captions and music, etc., just to test our basis. And then we're gonna see the results and make adjustments as needed over the course of a few days. But I kind of have high hopes for this because I really like the commercial. It came out really, really good. We are in our off season. It's still winter and fishing line isn't that great right now, but I still have high hopes. So let's press go on the ads and I'll see you in a couple days.
2 days later.
All right, so the ChatGPT ads have been running for a couple days. Let's dive in the computer and see the results and see if we're actually making money with these ads. So this is a platform, Hyros, that I use to track attribution. It's a little bit better than Facebook, a little bit more accurate since that whole iOS thing happened. But basically, over the past few days, here are the results. You can ignore this first line. This second line is really where it happened. So you can see ChatGPT test. We've spent $275 so far, and the result is $280 of revenue. So a total profit of $8. That's actually not profit. So the ads are basically breaking even. So you can see when we dive in a little bit deeper, we're testing 3 different ads, one with music, one with no music, one with captions, etc. And this one's just doing bad, one with no music. And you can see the one with just captions only. I'm gonna head into Facebook and see which ad that actually is. All right, so clearly the one with captions and no music is doing the best, and the one with no captions and no music is doing the worst. So at this point, what we'll do is we'll adjust it. We'll increase the budget on the one that's working, decrease the budget on the one, or kill the one that's not working at all, and then we'll come back in a few days and see if these ads really work.
2,000 years later.
All right, so here's the latest update. We've spent $554, and I want to give you some of the results on the ChatGPT ads. The results came out to $554 in ad spend on Facebook and $1,204 in sales. And you can clearly see that one ad set had the most sales of them all. And the one that it was the video with captions and no music, just the straight voiceover that ChatGPT had scripted for us. So I just want to give you my overall thoughts on how this experiment went. Clearly, ChatGPT made the video creation a lot more simple. It made it a lot more efficient, and it was super easy for me as a very saturated mind to come up with a fresh new idea for my Facebook ad. And would I agree that ChatGPT wrote a perfect script that I could just plug and play and use? No, I still had to go in there and adjust it to my liking and make sure it made 100% sense for the video ad. This new AI technology is clearly making it a lot more easy and efficient to come up with new ideas, but right now, in the way that it stands right now, I don't see it taking over complete industries. I think it needs to get a lot smarter because right now you still need a human input. You can use it for a lot of idea generation and kind of the foundation of things, but you still need to come in with a human brain yourself and put your own spin on it, put your own sauce, and put your own finishing touches on it to really make it work. But this AI is absolutely mind-blowing because it can do so much already. What happens when it gets so much better? Now, if you're still unsure of how to create the best Facebook ads possible, go watch this video right here where I put together a free Facebook masterclass for free on YouTube. It's a full YouTube ad course. Guys, like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Go watch this video. Peace.